In this video guide, we're going to see how we can use generative AI or generative artificial intelligence for free, really easy, really quick in Pixlr.com. So we don't need to download and install anything. We can use the Pixlr apps online. We can go for the Pixlr Express or also the Pixlr editor, which is similar to Photoshop, but again, free and easy to use and totally online, so you don't need to download and install anything. So here we have the Pixel Express, and as you can see down here, we have a button for AI image generator. So this is the starting point right here. And also from Pixel Editor, we can click here on AI image generator, and you can see it goes basically in the same page. So this is where we can start. Now to use this tool, we need to sign up or log in with our account in Pixlr. So I'll just log in with my account using a Gmail, but you can use Facebook or any other email. And now I can start to use the AI image generator, which is as simple as it looks. So basically, you just need to type in here what you want to create, what you want to generate, and this is going to automatically do it for you. So you can see here that you can also define a specific aspect. So if you want this to be horizontal or vertical, let's go for vertical. And then if you want a style, which could be like artistic style, digital, or could be like low poly or hand-drawn, origami, 3D model, photography, and much more. So I'm gonna go for like line art, and then let's go here to well, also if you want to have a color or black and white. So let's say I want vibrant colors, and then lighting. We can go for studio lighting, sunlight, rim light, lighting, volumetric. Well, let's go for maybe studio light. And then composition, blurry background, close up, wide angle. I'm gonna go for just close up. Okay, so negative prompt. So with this, you can remove things that you want to avoid, so that you don't want to add. And make private. Well, for this, you need to have not the free account, but you need to have another account. Otherwise, it's going to show up, I think, in the community here. This is all, many vector graphic style, 3D style images and illustrations that have been generated by other users. So just type here Japanese demon mask with snake exiting from the mouth with smoke all around and glowing eyes. Okay, and you can also remove things that you don't want. Like I type here flowers or pears, and what else, like birds. And let's also put here tattoo on white background, which is actually what appear on the first place. It looks like an illustration, but this is also because of the style that I've chosen here. So you can also change the results by changing the style and the colors. Let's go here for backlight and narrow depth of field. I'm gonna keep this as a close-up, and I'm gonna use a square. So make private. If you want to make private, you need to buy the account with like Premier plans. If you want to keep it free, you can just proceed and generate. So you can see that each time is going to decrease this number of generation that you have. So you can see now it's completely different from before. So every time you can just generate different ones. So let me try now with let's do with 3D model, cool tone, dramatic. Let's keep it the close up, and let's do wide and generate again. So it's pretty fast also. Well, there you go. Now you can also see the snake here. I don't see the snake on the others, or maybe there are like small snakes or snake-like shapes. Well, we have a little snake right here. So you can see that the styles here are completely different. So you can generate many different types. And we can also go here and like select one of these that we like more. So I think I'm gonna go for this one here. And now it's opened up. And we can then continue here. We can put this as a cover image. We can put this as a favorite. We can download the image directly in our computer. Well, of course, you can also take like a snapshot of this and you can publish it. We can review the prompt here. And we can also remix the image, or so if you go here, we can use this and change it even more. I'm gonna try to do another test without the negative prompt and without selecting any of these. Let's generate and let's see what's gonna happen. So probably if we don't give indications, it's gonna choose the style that is more appropriate. And you can see it's not perfect because well, sometimes it just misses some information, but we can try to fix it up just by changing the word. The only problem is that every time we change here the prompts, well, it's gonna take off these credits, and so I'm just gonna go forward and see what happens when the credits finish. But these are some really interesting results. And let's see here, tattoo. Let's try to add some other word. There you go. So definitely they're looking pretty fine. Okay. So you can see how it slightly changes determined by the new words that I'm typing. Also is the new words are also affecting the colors, as you can see. So I'm just gonna continue here to generate more. And you can see every time I regenerate is going to create different results that I can use. So let's say I like this one. So also you can use the prompt again, or we can, let's see here, we can also edit the image. So for the editing, you're gonna go inside the Pixlr editor. So we also dedicated other video guides and video course in Pixlr Express and Pixlr Editor. Okay, just missed this. You can also do the swap face feature, but you need to find two pictures that are similar. So if you have like a graphic illustration, you can try with the graphic illustration. I think this is for more for photography and realistic images like this. So I got this one here from Pexels and uploaded this from my computer. So you can do this also yourself. You can also pick your picture if you want, and then you can just upload a target. So if you have a target on your computer, you can upload it. Otherwise, you can just uh, pick one. If you scroll down here, you can see these are two that I've generated, and I think it's working really good, really fine. And it's completely mixing the two together. So let's say that I want to use this other picture here. You can see it just swapped the face using this face. It's just applied in here. So I think it's working really good. And you have also different styles here. So I went for Yellowstone style, but I can go like Moulin Rouge, and I can pick another one here. So let's try this one hand. Again, run the face swap. And it should appear down here. So these are all my swaps that I have been doing. And there you go. So you can see it definitely works. It takes that phase and just apply it to the picture, and it changes radically. So you can see all these are looking pretty similar. So if I then want this, I can just click on download, just save it again in my downloads folder. So generative AI tools are really working great here in Pixlr, and if you want to use them, you can do it, you can try it, and I think you need to buy credits then, or maybe like after a while you will be able to use them again. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to thank us, support us, please join the channel as a supporter. Check our other courses and video guides that we have, and see you in the next video.